Imagine waking up every morning with loud cars, angry horns, and crowded streets, or waking up with birds, fresh air, and silence. Which life would you choose?
That is a powerful question, Emma, because it describes two completely different worlds. City life and country life are not just places to live. They are two different ways of thinking, working, and dreaming. Some people need the noise and energy of the city to feel alive. Others need peace and nature to feel happy. Today, many people are confused about where they truly belong.
How are you today?
I'm feeling thoughtful today because this topic makes me think about my future and my personal choices. Every morning when I see people rushing to work, I ask myself if this fast life is really the best way to live. Sometimes I feel excited by the city, and sometimes I feel tired of it. So today I am happy to talk about this subject and share my ideas.
City life?
City life is full of movement and opportunity. There are tall buildings, bright lights, and busy streets everywhere. In the city, people can find many jobs, good schools, and modern hospitals. There are cinemas, restaurants, libraries, and shopping centers on every corner. You can meet people from different cultures and learn new things every day. The city teaches you to be strong, independent, and ambitious. It pushes you to work harder and dream bigger.
Why do people love it?
People love city life because it gives them hope for a better future. They believe they can find success, education, and freedom there. In the city, you can change your life faster because there are more chances and more choices. You can study, work, and improve yourself at the same time. Many young people feel that the city is the place where their dreams can come true.
The dark side?
The dark side of city life is stress and pressure. There is too much noise, too much traffic, and too many people. Life moves very fast, and people often feel tired and anxious. Pollution damages health, and many people do not have time to rest. Some feel lonely even when surrounded by millions of people. The city can give you success, but it can also take your peace of mind.
Country life?
Country life is like a deep breath after a long run. It is quiet, slow, and close to nature. People wake up with sunlight, fresh air, and birds singing. They grow food, take care of animals, and live simple lives. There is more time for family, for thinking, and for resting. Country life teaches patience and respect for nature.
Why do people choose it?
People choose country life because they want peace and health. They are tired of noise, stress, and competition. They want their children to grow up in a safe and clean environment. They want to see the stars at night instead of streetlights. Country life gives them a feeling of freedom and connection with the earth.
Problems there?
Yes, country life also has problems. There are fewer jobs and fewer schools. Hospitals are far away and transportation is difficult. Young people may feel bored because there are not many activities. Sometimes people feel isolated and forgotten. Country life is peaceful, but it can also feel slow and limited.
Money?
Money is a big difference between the city and the countryside. In the city, life is expensive, but salaries are usually higher. People spend a lot on rent, food, and transport. In the countryside, life is cheaper and people can save money, but finding a good job is harder. So money pushes many people to live in the city, even if they prefer peace.
Family life?
Family life is different in both places. In the countryside, families are closer and children play outside in nature. Life feels safer and calmer. In the city, families have better schools and hospitals, but less time together. Parents work long hours and children spend more time inside. Both lives shape children in very different ways.
Future choice?
In the future, I want a balance between the two worlds. I want to work in the city and use its opportunities, but I also want to rest in the countryside and protect my health and peace. I believe the best life is not choosing one place forever, but learning from both. The city gives us ambition, the countryside gives us wisdom.
Final message?
City life and country life are not enemies. They are two teachers with different lessons. The city teaches us to run, to build, and to achieve. The countryside teaches us to slow down, to breathe, and to live. There is no perfect place for everyone. The perfect place is where your heart feels calm and your dreams feel alive. What matters most is not where you live, but how you live your life.
Thank you, Leo.
Thank you, Emma, and thank you to everyone listening to us today. Remember, choose the life that makes you feel truly alive. Goodbye and see you next time.